What's going on, everybody? Stanley Parrish here. Welcome back to the show. I hope you're having a creative day today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to properly light your white backgrounds. This tutorial is going to help you get those nice, clean, pure white, seamless backgrounds in your photos. So let's go. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm going to show you guys what I'm working with right now. We have a total of 3 lights. We have a key light, which is this beauty dish, and we have 2 background lights to light the background. So you're going to need, you can do this with speed lights too. Just make sure you have 2 speed lights pointing at your background to make sure that background is comes out pure white. Okay. So as far as the material goes, I have, of course, I got my white background paper. I have my white floor, which is just white panel board that I bought from Lowe's or Home Depot. I have 2 V-flats that I made out of foam core board. I bought it from Lowe's. I can't remember the height. It's probably about 8 feet or 9 feet, but I just bought 4 of those and I taped them together. Okay, so let's take a couple of shots. I have my camera on the tripod. I'm gonna set the timer. I'm gonna be the model for today, which is crazy. But anyway, we're gonna get a couple of shots to show you what it looks like when you don't have any light on the background. Okay, so before you turn on your background lights, you wanna get some test shots just with your key light first to get that where it needs to be. So let's go ahead and get a couple of shots, a couple of test shots, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like without those background lights. Okay, so the key light is looking good. It's a Policy Buff AlienBee B800. I have it on a 1/4 power, and my camera settings are set to f5.6. The shutter speed is 1/160th of a second, and the ISO is 100. So now that I have my key light where I want it, now I'm going to turn on my background lights. Okay, so you can see on that test photo that it was way too bright. You can see all that light is wrapping around me. So I'm gonna adjust the power on those background lights. And when you're doing your test shots, you wanna check the back of your camera's histogram to make sure that the background is overexposed. So I'm gonna go ahead and get another test shot. Okay, so we have the background lights where they need to be. The power is actually set at 1/8 on the background lights. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a few more shots of me. I'm still gonna have a little bit of side light hitting me on the side because my V-flats are actually white and silver. So it's gonna bounce light from the background light onto my side. So I'm gonna paint those black as soon as I get a chance. So if you do get some V-flats, paint one side white and paint the other side black. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial, you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me. Please, if you enjoy the content, please consider subscribing to this channel. Drop a comment, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with all your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next one.